Жалын Нұрайым. What do idioms mean? Idioms are fun, useful expressions that usually can be understood by defining the separate words. Idioms need to be memorized as a whole. Next, idioms. Idioms are phrases which people use in everyday language which do not make sense literally, but we understand what they mean. Tag. Next, idiom. On top of the world. I asked my girlfriend to marry me, and she said yes. I'm feeling and on top of the world, meaning feeling wonderful. Next, animal idioms. And idiom, eager, bigger, meaning a person who is excited about doing certain work. And Costco, meaning a good way to make money. And a kangaroo court, a self-appointed group that decides what to do to someone who is supposed to have done wrong. And the next, build in a china shop, a person with no tact, upset others or upset plants. And the next, hold your horses, wait and be patient. English idioms not only enrich our vocabulary but also provide insights into the values and challenge of the forest and the conservation field. By incorporating these idioms into your language, you will not only communicate more effectively but also demonstrate a deep understanding of the profession.